back in the summertime, I made like a couple videos about how to make a Yakov Chesler content videos. Um, Obviously now the channel's renamed, but I was kind of thinking, like maybe making something similar on those lines, and still blocked up like sinuses and nose and everything. So my voice is definitely a lot more teenage guy sounding ish than usual. Um, so I'd say there's a lot of ways you can make like a mockery videos on your own. I've made a few on my channel before, but like here's some tips. Number one, study my tendencies. Everyone has like their own tendencies that they have, tendencies they have to say. Find the most annoying things and only do those, because those are things that are truthful that I do, but it is something that will stand out to people. Number two, here's something that I don't know if you notice in videos a lot, but I struggle a lot with pronouncing the letter R. If you notice, I didn't pronounce it like the best right there. And that's something you can also really pinpoint. Sometimes I say it well, sometimes I don't, but that's why a lot of times I'm saying like men and women instead of saying boys and girls, because it takes me effort to say a girl type thing. It's a lot easier to type it. So that's another thing you can pinpoint. You can also, like, if you think, so I sometimes do, that my videos are over repetitive, like I have too many same concept videos, then you can then take that and you can go like so much of stuff, because you can like pretend to be making a lot of videos in one thing and it's all talking about the same thing. That actually really, really funny. And if you have more like ideas how to make a good mockery video, please post in the comment section below. I don't know if this voice right now that I have will need to be counted. I don't know, like, I actually kind of like it though. But that's it for now. Have a great week, have a great night, good luck everyone, and that's until next time.